Simple ingredients, one extraordinary plate. It starts with a cabbage. One red cabbage, cut straight through the core into 4 even wedges. Keeping the core intact is important. It holds everything together in the oven. Without it, the wedge falls apart completely. The glaze is made with some olive oil, balsamic vinegar, honey, then add some minced garlic and some fresh thyme. Mix until combined. It should be dark, glossy, and aromatic. Brush it generously over every surface. Get it between the layers as much as possible. Don't be shy with it. The balsamic does 2 things here. It caramelizes under the heat and deepens the color of the cabbage dramatically. Into the oven for 40 minutes. Baste it every 10 minutes. Each coat builds the color and the stickiness. Don't skip the basting. While the cabbage roasts, let's make the whipped feta. Feta and cream cheese, olive oil, black pepper, and lemon juice. Blend on high for 2 full minutes until completely smooth and brilliant white. Walnuts, roughly chopped, into a dry pan. Keep them moving. The moment they smell nutty and look golden, take them off the heat immediately. Balsamic vinegar and honey into a small pan. Reduce for 10 to 12 minutes. The moment it gets too sticky and glossy, take it off the heat. Whipped feta onto the plate. Then the balsamic reduction. Draw a spiral through the white. Cabbage wedge on top, cut face up. Walnuts clustered around the base. Thyme on and around the cabbage. Olive oil drizzled lightly over everything. The cabbage is tender and deeply caramelized, sweet from the honey, sharp from the balsamic, slightly smoky from the char at the edges. The whipped feta underneath is cool, creamy, and salty. It balances everything. We hope you enjoyed making this dish with us. Thank you for watching. We're here every week with new recipes. See you at the next one.